Chapter 1. Determiners. Determiners are words positioned before nouns to indicate quality, possession, definiteness, or to introduce the noun. For 8th graders, grasping determiners is crucial for constructing clear and grammatically accurate sentences. This chapter will help them understand the various types of determiners and how to apply them correctly. For example, that cup is chipped. Priya is taking her first steps. The festival has been postponed due to bad weather. In the above sentences, the colored words are the determiners. Types of determiners. There are 6 types of determiners. Determiners: articles, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, numbers, interrogatives. Type 1. Articles. Articles are largely considered to be the most commonly used determiners. In English language, there are 3 specific articles that can be used. These are a, an, and the. They are used to identify the noun which the speaker is referring to. If the noun begins with a vowel, then an is used. And if the noun begins with a consonant, then a is used. For example, a child, an amazing child, an aeroplane. However, if the sentence was talking about a specific child, aeroplane, or dog, then the would instead be used. For example, the child picked up the book from the table. The aeroplane was very noisy. The dog carried a stick. Type 2. Demonstrative. Demonstrative pronouns are another kind of determiners, consisting of this, that, these, and those. These are used when the noun in question is there and can be pointed to. For example, I like this cake. These bananas are very ripe. I wanted that slice of pizza. I want those shoes. Type 3. Possessive. Some nouns can belong to someone or something in particular. When this is the case, possessive pronouns can be used to identify said ownership. These can include my, your, her, his, our, and their. For example, you are my best friend. This is his car. Where is her phone? Today is our anniversary. The possessive pronoun is not affected by whether the noun is singular or plural. Type 4. Quantifiers. Quantifier determiners specifically tell you how much or what proportion of the noun is being referred to. All, many, few, any, much, little, several, both, each, and every are the quantifier determiners. For example, he ate all the chocolate. All of the boys will be there. Few children like Brussels sprouts. As seen above, all can be used in conjunction with other determiners, such as the, to specify what pronoun of the noun in question is meant. Type 5. Numbers. Both cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. and ordinal numbers first, second, third, etc. can be used as determiners. Cardinal numbers are used to indicate the quantity of person or things. They typically follow other determiners in a sentence. For example, I'm close with my 4 siblings. 3 students won the competition. 2 dogs are playing in the yard. Ordinal numbers are used to specify the order of nouns in a series. They follow other determiners in a sentence. For example, I think the third man in the lineup is the thief. She won first place in the race. We are meeting on the 3rd floor of the building. Type 6 interrogatives. An interrogative determiner, also called an interrogative adjective, modifies a noun or pronoun in a direct or indirect question. The interrogative determiners are what, which, and whose. These words can also function as pronouns instead of determiners when used in place of a noun. Example, which do you like? And when they are used as determiners outside of the context of a question, they are called relative determiners. For example, what height is the Empire State Building? Whose turn is it to wash dishes? I wonder which hand he broke. Remember, although what and which are often used interchangeably in questions, they don't have the same meaning. What is usually used to ask a question when there is a wide range of options or the options are unknown. Which is used when the number of options is more limited or the options are known. Determiners versus adjectives. Many kinds of determiners are traditionally classified as adjectives, and they may still be classified that way now, depending on the source you consult. But there are significant differences in how determiners and adjectives actually function. While both can be used to modify a noun, only an adjective can modify a pronoun. Example, he is sad. And unlike adjectives, determiners are often considered essential to the sentences they're a part of and can't be removed. For example, Myra cycled her blue bike home from work. Correct. Myra cycled her bike home from work. Correct. Myra cycled bike home from work. In